Hi guys, I am Anuja Pathania. Today we will talk about sentence and its kinds. In this lesson, you will learn about sentence structure in English. This lesson is one of the very first lesson of English grammar. This is a very important lesson that will help you very much with your reading and especially with your writing skill. Now, let's begin the lesson with a question. So guys, I have a question for you. And the question is, what is the simplest sentence you can make in English? So guys, what do you think that? What does an every sentence in English need? And the answer is, every sentence needs a verb. So we can say that the simplest sentence is an imperative sentence, which means when you tell someone to do something. For example, run, leave, work, come, go. These are the simplest complete sentences you can make in English. They are just one word long. Of course, most of the sentences are longer than these. Most sentences that are longer than one word also need a noun before the verb. The noun is the subject. With subject plus verb, you can make simple sentences. For example, he runs, she left, the birds fly, the children laughed. Let's move forward. Now, we will discuss the definition of sentence. A sentence is a word or a group of words conveying a complete meaning. A group of words which doesn't convey a complete meaning is not called a sentence. Only a group of words conveying a complete meaning is called a sentence. Next, there are basically two rules about making a sentence. First, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. Second, a sentence could be formed without a subject or an object, but no sentence could be formed without a verb. Let's consider some examples of sentences. The boy is drinking water. He sings a song. I love my country. Now, let's move on to the next part of the lesson, which is the kinds of sentences. There are basically four kinds of sentences. First, assertive or declarative sentences. Second, interrogative sentences. Third, imperative sentences. Fourth, exclamatory sentences. Now, we will discuss each type of sentences one by one. First, declarative sentences. It states a fact or thought or an opinion. It ends with a full stop. For example, it is very hot today. New Delhi is the capital of India. The peacock is our national bird. Next, interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence asks a question. It always ends with a question mark. For example, where do you live? How are you? Have you seen the Taj Mahal? Next, imperative sentences. An imperative sentence expresses order, command, advice, or suggestion. It ends with a full stop. For example, open the door. It's an order. Please help me. It's a request. Study well for your annual examination. It's an advice. Next, exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence expresses feeling or emotion such as joy, sorrow, wonder, surprise, etc. It always ends with an exclamatory mark. For example, wow, what a beautiful flower. May God bless you. Alas, he lost his father. So guys, I hope you already understood what is sentence and what are its kinds. So that's all for today. Bye bye. Take care.